Hello, welcome the course problem solving using C. In this video, one of the most important topic is called string ending function. That means the strlen function. How do you use them in our C program? String handling function is one of the important tip for handling any of the string in your C program. There are multiple inbuilt functions available as in C programming to handle the string very carefully. So, which is very important for handling large amount of data. With always data will be in the string format. In that case, you need to find out the particular many statistical function you have to use it. So instead of using your own logic of function, you can able to write use the inbuilt function like a string length. Suppose S contains the any string. In that case, it will automatically calculate the length of that given string, which return type is a integer. Look at this, that is a program like this. So there is, in order to use the inbuilt function, you need to use that preprocessor, that is include directory string.h, right? You have to use that, then only will all the inbuilt function available under this processor will get it, use it in your program, right? So we are, as usual, you are declare the array, the char s1 of 10, you are enter the string. So then get the s including white space, he'll read it, get s. So we'll be printing it, right? Because why axis specifier, it is a format specifier, is percentage d, which returns the day in terms of integer, right? So string length always, maybe it is a some value you are giving, right? ce darshan, right? What is the character? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So including a white space, read it, right? So that's a reason we will get the length of the given string is. We'll see another function called strcm. In some cases, you need to compare first string versus second string, right? In order to write your own logic, it will take a lot of time to write a query comparing the first string with the second string, which will return in terms of comparing, means it will return either 0 or 1. So return if 0, if s1 and s2 are the same, because suppose s1 is equal to s2, then return it is equal to 0. Suppose return less than 0, it is return less than 0. If less than 0 means it is minus 1. Then it is s1 is less than s2. Suppose return greater than 0. Suppose greater than 0 means anything it is greater than 1, which return s1 is greater than s2, right, which is equal to 1. So look at this, this is a one of the program I have taken for demonstrating this function, compare function. We'll read the s1 function, first string, second string, and comparing, both are same. You are comparing and testing it. If s1 or s1, comparing s1 and s2, which return 0, 0 equal to 0, then string is same. If not, string are not same. Look at, I'll give some input here, computer, both are same, because string 1 and string 2 contains the same string, then it returns 0, which is equal to 0, so same, okay. Another name I have given, that also same, okay. So you will see another example, right? For example, consider the character s subs, nothing have given it in the square bracket, size has not mentioned. We have given a data directly string, that means it's in a double quote there and there, which you have to compare it. So there the pronunciation will be same, but both are same or not same, we'll check that, right? So there is obviously this will not same, will return it. Syntax. And another function you can take the strcp copy s1 comma s2. it copies second string to the first string. Whichever it is stored it in S2, we will copy it to the S1, right? So there is copies the string S2 into string S1. So S1 now there. So now remains unchanged, right? Look at that. In other case, concatenating S1 with the S2. Append S2 string at the end of the string, right? So look at this. Will be concat both the string together. So string character S1 comma C. That means it is return a pointer to the first occurrence of given character in the string S1. We'll see, look at that, is I is return or not. Any character I is there exist in the given string S1. So printf star S string character, which you can find out IR, right? It is all that whichever it is I will start with that, which will return it, then onwards all the character and print it. And strstr, right? This will be like this or work like this. Return a pointer to the first occurrence of given string S2 in string S1. So E, is there any E is there, right? A, right? Which return all this, okay? E first occurrence, which take the previous pointer and return it, okay? So another example, same example, you'll see some other example. Will reverse the string. Will reverse, which you can reverse the string, and it will take the any string. It will be in the uppercase. You wanted to convert them into lowercase, you can use them. And if you want to convert any string into the uppercase, you can use the str upper. So and the string copy, right? You want to copy number of string from these two string. Copy the first n character of string S2 to string S1. You want to copy from here to S1 to S1, right? Two character I wanted to copy from the string S2 S1, which you can copy like this. And I can concat, right? N character you want to copy from the S2 to S1. That also possible. It's like that you can many more function available, the inbuilt functions available. So depending on the application, you can use them. You have to explore all this string, and there is a help in, you can go say Turbo C or any of the your editor you are using it for C. The rest, if you help menu will be there you can explore all the string functions and availability of preprocessors. All this you can explore it directly, and you can don't mug up the things and don't remember all this, but you must know that what is how this program inbuilt function, you can use them in your application, right? So and string compare, as you all see in that, here also there is a first occurrence you have thing. See, all this have explore and work out at home and practice many more. You will practice many times, use the each one of the built-in function in your program and practice again and again, so that will becomes easy for you to use the string and character in C. I think you hope you understood concept. So I'll wind up the video right now. Please subscribe my channel and comment if you have any doubt in a comment box. Thank you.